Tide of winter crept and buried the dead, and withered the gardens that I'd sown in my head. And it all starts anew, but a bitter reminder, a darling and a wolf moon, and a love left behind her. And now the blanket's falling, the ease is yet to sink in, and there's no crackling fire, no lover to admire. And that cold, frail howling, it just keeps haunting me. It taunts like the hates and memories that won't leave me be. So I long for the spring in its merciful rain, to thaw your reflection from the stillness of day, and to lend me the truth which I've long sought to learn, how to live while dying and how to die and return. And now the blanket's falling, the ease is yet to sink in, and there's no crackling fire, no lover to admire. And that cold, frail howling, it just keeps haunting me. It taunts like the hates and memories that won't leave me be. It just keeps haunting me. It taunts like the hates and memories that won't leave me be. In that cold, frail howling, it just keeps haunting me.